Adjusting your room thermostat settings. Your thermostat and controls are normally located in your kitchen. The middle of the 5 dials adjusts your heating and hot water. To the left, this dial controls your water temperature, and the one on the right controls your central heating. Use the time switch, positioned bottom right, to adjust when you want your heating to come on and off. To reset your heating, adjust the middle dial to Reset position. If you have a fault, the illuminated red control will flash red and show a code. Please pass the details to our repairs team.